previous lectures we have covered substitution method and elimination method. Today's class we will try to learn how to solve simultaneous linear equations by cross multiplication method. So assume we have equations, two equations in two variables as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay, so if we have two equations and we want to solve these equations and want to find the values of x and y from this, so first of all to solve these expressions by cross multiplication methods, so we have to write these equations in this standard form. In our previous two techniques we have solved equations as a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So in the format we have solved the equations, but here first of all we have to write these equations in terms of this standard form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Means we have to take all terms left side and right side there will be 0. Okay, so first of all we have to write equations in this standard form, and then next we will apply this technique, that is cross multiplication method. So in our next term we will write 4 columns, okay, starting from the coefficients of y. Okay, so here the coefficients of y is b1 and in expression 2 the coefficient of y is b2. So write the coefficients of y first. So this will be b1, b2. Okay, write these coefficients in this pattern b1 and below b2. Okay, next we have to write next constant term c1 and c2. So here it will be c1, c2. First of all we have written b1, b2, coefficients of y, then we have written constant term c1 and c2, then we will write a1 and a2, that is coefficient of x. So here we will write a1 and a2, and at the end we have to write where we have started. So the coefficient of y starting from b1, b2. So finally we have to write column of b1, b2 again. So here we got 4 columns. First one was coefficients of y b1, b2, second one was constant terms, and third column was a1, a2, and the last term where we started b1, b2. Okay, so starting from b1, b2, ending from b1, b2. Okay, so next we will make these type of arrows, downward arrows and upward arrows, downward and upward, downward and upward. Okay, so in our next first of all we have written columns, and then we will mark these arrows here. That upward arrow, this upward arrow shows that we have to, arrow shows that we have to multiply the numbers. Okay, so these arrows showing that we have to multiply this b1 with c2, and this arrow showing that we have to multiply this b1, b2 and c1. This arrow shows that we have to multiply these two terms. This arrow shows this that we have to multiply this c2 and a1. So arrow shows that we have to multiply the numbers, and so that downward arrow will shows that we have to take this product as positive. Okay, product will be positive, product will so that downward arrow shows that we have to take this product with a positive sign. Take product with plus sign or positive, and that upward arrow shows that we have to take the product with negative sign. Okay, So this downward arrow shows that we have to take number as positive, we have to take this product as positive, and this upward arrow shows that we have to take the product with negative sign. Now we will make here we will make 3 pairs of the columns. First pair between first column and second column, and second pair between second column and third column, and next third pair between third column and fourth column. Okay, next we will write numbers. We have 2 unknowns, x and y, so first we will write x, then we will write y, and then we will write 1. Okay, and here we will add equal sign. Now from the first pair, the product we will get, we will write under x, and from the second pair the product we will get, we will write under y, and from third pair the product we will get, and we will write here under 1. Okay, so from the first pair, just think about this pair, first column and second column, so product will be b1 c2, and downward product we have to take with positive sign, so this b1 c2 will be plus. Okay, and this b2 and c1, we have another product in this first pair, so that is b2 c1, and this is in upward arrow, so we have to take this as negative, so we will take b2 c1. Here second pair, from second pair we will take y as product between this c1 and a2 as positive, c1 a2 as positive, and this product c2 a1 as negative, c2 a1 as negative. We have already discussed here that upward we have to take negative, and downward we have to take negative, and 1 equal to under 1 we will write a1 b2 as positive, a1 b2 as positive, and a2 b1 as negative, a2 b1 as negative. So here we have made our equations like in terms of constant term. So here a1 b2 a2 b1 all are constant terms, 1 is constant term, so this value will be equal to a constant number. So if we make equal these two equations, we can calculate the value of x, and if we solve these two equations, if we solve these two equations or these two terms, we will get the value of y. So from here we can write the value of x will be equal to b1 c2, or just equal these two terms, first term and last term. So it will be x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we want to calculate the value of x, so write this term over here, so this will become x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we got the value of x from here. So to get the value of y, we have to solve these two terms. So the value of y will be y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 we can calculate the value of y. Take this term numerator, so it will become c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this will be the value of y, and this will be the value of x. So here we have two equations. Equation 1 is 2x plus y equal to 5, and equation 2 is 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Suppose we want to calculate the values of x and y by this cross multiplication method. So how it will be solved by this method? First of all, write these equations in our standard form. So standard form was we have to move this constant term in left side. So the equation 1, first equation will become 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, equation 2 is not in our standard form, so first make it in our standard form. So it will become 3x plus 2y. This is plus 8, so if we'll move left side, so it will become minus 8 equal to 0. Now equations are in our standard form. So next is just make columns. So first we will write coefficients of y in first column. So here the coefficients of y are 1 and 2. Here no number is written, that is 1 is written over here. So we can write this 1 into y, that is y. Okay. So first in first column we have to write 1 and 2. So we will write 1 and 2 as, and then after coefficients of y we have to write these constant terms. So in second column we will write minus 8 and minus 5 and minus 8. In next column, third column, we will write coefficients of x, 2 and 3. And in the fourth column, or at the end, last column, we will write numbers from where we have started. So we have started from coefficients of y. So fourth column it will be 1 and 2. So total 4 columns we have to write. From where we have started, we have to end over from that. So this will be the columns. Now we have to make arrows. First from the top to bottom we have to make downward arrow, and from bottom to top we have to make upward arrow. Make these type of arrows. And that upward arrow shows that we have to take product as negative, and this downward arrow shows that we have to take the product as, I told in the concept that first we will make 3 pairs. First pair, this will be second pair, and this will be third pair. Write the product of first pair under x. So we will write x, y and 1 next, and we will take equal sign here. Take product of first pair under x, take product of second pair under y, and take product of third pair under 1. Okay, so the product of first pair will be 1 into 8. We have to take this minus 8. We have to take this as positive sign. So 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. And we will not write it negative sign. We will not add any negative sign. So it will be 1 into minus 8. That is minus 8. And we have to write this product as negative. So this is 2 into minus 5 minus 10, and we have to take negative. So minus 10 equal to product of second pair we have to write over here. So product of second pair will be 5 into 3, that is 15, minus 8 into 2. So this product we have to take with the negative sign. So it will become 5 into 3, minus 5. Here it is minus, this is minus. So we have to write minus 5 into 3, that is minus 15, and minus 8 into 2, that is minus 16. And we have to write this product with negative sign. So it will become minus 16 equal to 1. And here we have to write this product 2 into 2. This is in downward arrow, so we have to take this as positive. So product of these two terms will be 2 into 2, that is 4. And here the product of these two terms will be 3 into 1, that is 3. And this is on upward arrow, so we have to take this product as negative. So we will write minus 3. Okay, so in next term we will equal these two terms, first and last term, and in another next term we will take these two terms. Okay, so in our first term we will take these two terms, and this will be like x equal to x divided by, here we will get minus 8, and here we will get minus 10, that is plus 10, equal to this term 1 divided by 4 minus 3, that is 1. So we will get x by 2 equal to 1, that is value of x equal to 2. So from equating first term and third term we got value of x as 2. Now we will equal these two terms, terms of y and third term. So we will get the value of y. So I am going to equate these two terms, y divided by, here we will get y, and this is minus 15, so it will be minus 15, and here we have minus 16, so it will become 16 plus 16, and here it is 1 upon y, 1 upon 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So we will get y divided by minus 15 plus 1, that is 1, that is y equal to 1. So finally we got our answers as x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So this was the method where we have solved simultaneous linear equations in two variables by this method, that is cross multiplication method. Next you have to try some questions from your standard books.